is now the good time to buy property in India. Whether you're talking about blooming Tier 1 cities, rising Tier 2 cities, or untapped Tier 3 towns. In this video, we'll break down the market trends and investment opportunities. So let's dive in. Hi, my name is Nitin and you're watching Carpet Area. To start with, let's understand the market trends and economic overview. India's real estate market is on upswing, fueled with economic growth, infrastructure expansion, and rising urbanization. Despite global slowdowns, Indian real estate market remains strong wealth building tool, especially for long-term investors. But should you invest now or wait? Let's analyze by city tier. Tier 1 cities, premium but pricey. Tier 1 cities have always been investors' favorite, but it has been grown over 100% in last few years in major metros. For example, a typical 3 BHK in Delhi's famous Dwarka Expressway now costs upward of 2.5 crore. With India's expected economic growth of 6 to 7%, rapid increase in such properties is likely to be slim. Real estate, like any other sector, is cyclical, and 2024 appears to have been its peak. Prices likely to stabilize or cool off from here. If you enter at this price point solely for appreciation, you might be disappointed. Instead, invest on properties with high rental yields or look for upcoming development zones for better long-term results. Now let's talk about Tier 2 cities, the smart investor's choice. Tier 2 cities have always been the sweetest spot for real estate investors. With lower entry costs, improving infrastructure, and growing job market, these cities offer both rental yield and price appreciation. Cities like Jaipur, Coimbatore, Lucknow, Wayanad, and Dehradun are seeing massive developments. Buying here today could mean doubling your investment in 5 to 7 years. However, when investing, prioritize authority-approved land situated directly on currently or proposed highways, as outlined in the master plan of the respective locations. Always opt for corner and park-facing plots, as buyers in this segment have deep pocket, are willing to pay a premium for prime locations. But remember to avoid hotter cities, which would be unlivable in next 10 to 15 years. Your investment should be sustainable. Let's dive in to talk about Tier 3 cities. Tier 3 cities. High risk, high reward. Tier 3 cities are the dark horses of real estate. With lower competition and cheaper lands, early investors can make exponential gains. But beware, growth depends on government policies and infrastructure push. Research before you invest, and always check for future development projects like new highways or industrial zones. Last but not the least, when should you buy? Should you buy now? Here are the golden rules. If you are looking at Tier 1, focus on infrastructure-backed locations. Tier 2 cities offer the best balance of affordability and growth. Tier 3 investments require patience but can be highly rewarding. Most importantly, don't try to time the market. Buy when you are ready. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe Carpet Area for more real estate investment related videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comment below. Until next time, invest smart and build your legacy.